Auntie, 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 one big dirty catastrophe. Eh? Happened on a bottom lane. Auntie, I yesterday I did the funeral. Famous Eustace Esquire Brown. We come from down a bottom lane. Yes, auntie. Auntie, at the 70th church, it's you know the big 70th church, auntie, when I lane. Auntie, I down the same church, me I tell you say, it full from inside and outside, auntie. Auntie, auntie, I know everybody can't believe when Sister Birdie go up in Big Sister. After the pastor preach and Sister Birdie go up. Sister Birdie says she not tell no lie. Eh? She said her brother gone down a help on his head because he never lived no life. She said he never even call upon no God. He never lived no life and she not come tell no life him a Ellen gone. Auntie, me don't even know how she knows her Ellen gone, you know, auntie, me don't know. But auntie, come to think of it, as people did and everything, auntie, no matter how they did live reckless, they might talk about them gone to heaven. Eh? Auntie, what who give them permission to put people down at heaven now up at hell door, auntie? Eh? Auntie, them fit happy man. Because if you never live no life and you not serve no God, you can't go to heaven after no donkey can't go to heaven. You have to live up. Yes. No matter how rough you have to there, live. Yes. Live good. Auntie, and I want to tell you, auntie, as old as the man is, woman tap a woman, so woman in a bungle. Yes, auntie. He smoke and drink, gamble, and do everything that's bad, auntie. So I really and truly couldn't go on no ever, auntie. After no say ever business go. Auntie, I know so ever business go for you. But auntie, them a blame the sister, so she shouldn't come out and say a thing as that about her brother. But auntie, come to think of it, many more need to say that. Many more. Eh? Because auntie, them already know where the person go because based on the life where them live, auntie. So there is no secret about it. Eh? There is no secret. Yes, auntie. Auntie, me there try straighten out for myself, you know. Yes. Yes, auntie, me there try see if me can live good. Yes. So, auntie, make sure say you live alright, you know, like how you're old, you know, auntie. So, auntie, you how much now? 75? Then, auntie, no borrow time you depend, man. Anything can possibly happen, auntie. Auntie, make sure say you do the right thing, you know. Yes. Alright, auntie. Alright, take care. Take care, auntie. Yes. Me alright, man. Me alright. I'm doing very well, auntie. Yes. Yes, auntie. Auntie, Walande, auntie. Auntie, you watch a world championship, auntie? Because, auntie, I never hear anything much about it advertised, you know, until me see it go on, you know. I mean, I tell you, say the two Jamaican boy, them auntie, first and second. Eh? Then whip the US boy and make him come third. He too show off and hype auntie. Me don't know if I Jamaica woman when they would make him feel so cockatty. Eh? Because when the man then take up the Jamaica woman, them, auntie, they feel like they on top of the world, because they have the Jamaica woman, them down in a one different category of woman, auntie. Yes! So when they take them up, they feel cockatty. Yes, auntie. Them feel say, them win the lottery when them find a Jamaica woman, auntie. Yes? Because, yeah, man, I saw them feel. But me glad them whip him, you see, auntie. Yes, man. Show off. All right, then, auntie. Take care. Take care.